Hold on.
8444 Elizabeth.
Yes. No, I'm not. Woo, 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 woo. Shit, hold on, wait. 84, 35, what's this, Loomis, 84, 35, the Racine. Go ahead.
Okay.
8435 Racine. I need an ambulance over here.
Gotcha, ma'am. 8435 over Racine.
Shit out there, lady, man.
8435 Racine. There's a sergeant in that way. 13, we have you going over there for her. 620 driven out.
Let me get an ambulance over here. Watch out. Watch out, sir. Back up. Back up. 611, I have a citizen that discharged their firearm. Oh, you have a... Oh. 8435 Racine. 8435. Come on, they coming, baby. Yeah. No, it won't. And I have another one that's on the loose as well, probably going down the south. No, you're fine. I got it. 611, I have a one incident. We need an ambulance over here for this lady.
What street is it?
Where the other dog go? Come on. It's another one. It's a brown dog.
That's when you shot the brown dog?
How many?
Just 2, 3 shots.
This dog, it's another one though. It's a big one.
Yeah, I see you.
This dog gonna have to go down. Gonna have to.
Everybody take a bath.
Okay, they coming, man. They coming. Who dog is this? Who dog do you know, man? They coming.
Get a color of the dog.
It's a great and black pit bull. It's still standing over her. I don't want to hit her. What do you do?
I'm ex-military police, but I'm a dog trainer as well. I'm also a teacher at Leo.
How can we move this dog without hitting her? It's sick. Ah! Get back! Get back! Yeah, I don't want to hit her though. Watch out. We gotta lure this dog away. No.
I'm just saying, that's that dog. My gun's in the car. Hey, sir.
Step back.
I got dog trainers that are in the area as well.
He hit though.
Yeah. Please get somebody with me.
No, I got him. They coming. I promise they coming. I promise.
An ambulance 30 is on the way. Let us know when they arrive, guys.
They're coming.
I'm there.
No, you're not. Don't say that, please. Don't say that.
Where?
No, you're not. They coming right now. Stop moving. Don't move.
Event 02672.
I am dead.
No, you are not.
I can't. Ah, man.
Stop.
dog supposed to be waiting hospital. We trying to get ready to live in that house. There's another dog loose too. She done got bit up, so we kind of shoot the dog.
Are you familiar with how to? Are you the owner, ma'am?
No, she's not the owner.
Okay. Oh, no, you fine.
She bit somebody last week.
This same dog?
Yeah. That one is another one. It's another dog.
So it's in the house?
Yeah. It's a
brown one?
Yeah, brown one. And it's another, and this is the black one was last week. We can get him now.
Ain't got no choice. He can't move.
Stop moving!
Stop, ma'am. Don't move.
Where you at?
Hey, right here.
Oh my God, I ain't never. I'm good.
Woo! He hopping up.
What's your name? Lon?
It's another one right here behind you. I didn't see the visual. It's injured, but that don't mean he won't bite her. He's gonna come.
Here, Puppy, I'll try to get it. Puppy!
694.
Give me another one.
Be careful here.
Look. I don't want to lift this thing.
Shot from here.
It's gonna have to. Yeah, I already know.
You gotta put him down.
Put him down for you, I guess.
Yeah, that's next here.
694.
Please.
I'm gonna have to.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to.
That robbery yesterday was some protected district that we got on. Yes, correct. Make sure I can follow it.
611. I had to put the dog down.
Put the dog down.
I might want to block that street off too.
Racing.
I got all that.
I have to hit it one more time.
Stop moving!
We got another car coming.
Can you roll over here? Can you roll a little bit?
No, she can't move. Her arm is detached.
Oh, I see. They broke it out of socket. No, you can't drag her.
Jake.
Everybody's on the way. One shot fired in the area. That's what you heard. 613.
I had these dogs last week. Auburn tried to shoot it. Yeah, he's still moving. It's another dog too. It's a black dog.
It's a brown dog.
Yeah. That's what he shot, the brown dog? It's two. 3 shots. He shot this dog right here?
This dog's another one, though. It's a big one.
Yeah, I've seen it. The owner stayed right there.
11-5. Be there soon, guys.
Thanks.
Dog won't have to go down.
620. 620, go ahead. 620. Alright, everybody take a breath. I'm out right there. We got you going to 4-5. Animal control is notified.
The guy who lives in the house right here. Yeah, I know.
Color of the dog, and it's probably the dog from last week. Now, black pit bull is still standing over her.
I don't want to hit her.
Broken expedited as quickly as possible. We got it. Ambulance 30 should be pulling up.
Ex-military police, but I'm a dog trainer as well. I'm also teaching them.
How can we move this dog without hitting her?
Yeah, it's already right. It's already here.
Get back! Get back!
Ready?
Yeah, I don't want to hit her though. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Yeah, it's gonna be kind of hard not to hit
You
her.
gotta lure this dog away.
Get ambulance 30 is on the way. Let us know when they arrive, guys.
Just relax.
Go ahead.
I got a heartbeat number for 13. You can get in there now. Yeah. I'm trying to make sure. Yeah, keep moving. Stop moving. Stop moving. Keep your legs down.
425-292. Event 02.
Huh?
I think that dog went in his house.
Yeah. Stop moving. Stop moving. We got this dog that's holding this lady hostage, and we get ready to live in that house. It's another dog loose too.
Oh shit.
She gonna got bit up, so we kind of shoot the dog.
Are you familiar with how to?
We're gonna have to kill this dog.
Yeah.
Are you the owner, ma'am?
No, she's not the owner.
Okay. No, you fine.
She bit somebody last week.
This same dog?
Yeah. That one is another one. It's another dog.
So it's in the house.
Yeah. It's
It's a brown one.
Yeah, brown one. And it's another, and this is the black one of last week. We can get them now.
I don't choice.
I'm dead.
Stop moving.
Stop, ma'am. Don't move.
Where they at? See, right here.
It's right here.
Oh my God, I'm dead. Man, I need to
We're gonna have to just get close. I know.
What's your name? Another one right here behind.
Yeah, I know. It's in the house, right?
I
It's 94. It's 94.
right now.
Come here, boy. Come here.
I can't do it.
Come here, boy.
I can't do it.
Come here, boy.
Oh my God. Baby, please come here.
It's gonna happen here. I already know.
Please come here. Cool down, please. I got it.
It's 94.
Please. Please, please, I'm begging you, please.
Yeah.
That robbery yesterday was from the second district with that yes, incorrect. I just want to make sure I keep all that information in there. From the one from 2.
Stop moving.
Let me put the dog down.
40.
Yeah, I got that. Yeah, I just wanted to know because I know where they were involved in a couple of like that. I wanted to confirm the name. On 60 Avenue.
Says they had it 1701 West.
Stop moving.
87.
Yep, I got all that. Thank you.
Still moving.
And 67, Animal Control should be here shortly along.
Stop moving.
And where we tapped them as well. Just let me know what.
Can you roll over here? Can you roll a little bit?
She can't move. Her arm is detached.
Oh, I see.
Somebody do something.
No, you can't drag her.